How's it going, my silver stacking friends? It's Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker, back with another Silver Smackdown, just like wrestling. Today we're answering a hot question in silver and stacking. What the heck are Cull American Silver Eagles? And are they worth stacking? And we're going to compare them head to head with Brilliant Uncirculated BU Eagles. We're going to look at the price, the liquidity, desirability, and what you might like to be stacking right now. So whether you're a new stacker trying to stretch every dollar or a seasoned collector wondering about value, this one's for you. So what is a Cull American Silver Eagle? Well, in my definition, a Cull ASE is simply a silver eagle that has wear and tear. It may have heavy contact marks, scratches, rim dings, milk spotting, toning, and various other imperfections. They still have the full 1 troy ounce of 3/9 fine silver, but their eye appeal is very questionable. So think of Culls as the yard sale version of ASEs. Functional silver with no frills. Well, conversely, what is a BU? A Brilliant Uncirculated ASE. A BU Silver Eagle is exactly what it sounds like. A coin straight from the mint with no wear. It has heavy luster, strong strike, and generally minimal marks. These are what most collectors buy for stacking and keeping long term. BU coins look better, but do they stack better? Let's break down the numbers. We're going to look at a price comparison. Cull versus BU. Now, I dug up some data. I went online, looked at various companies. I tried to pull some numbers for ASEs, sell price, and some Cull sell prices. So I did the best I can. What I got here is Cull ASEs. Well, let me say first, on that particular day, spot was about $78 per troy ounce. Again, spot was about $78 per troy ounce. Cull ASEs, the price ranged anywhere from about $82 to $90 per coin. That's about an average of $87 per coin. Now, BU ASEs, their price ranged anywhere from about $91 to $97 per coin. That's about an average of $95. So let's recap. Cull ASEs average $87. BU ASEs average $95. So at that point, BU coins were about $8 more each on the average than Culls. That's roughly about a 9% premium for BU over Cull. Basically, you're paying extra for aesthetics and nicer condition. But is the higher price average a better stack choice? Let's look a little deeper. Here's the key: liquidity. How fast do either sell when you want out? Well, from marketplace data and some stacker feedback, this is what I gathered. BU ASEs, generally speaking, they tend to sell faster. They're closer to spot plus premium, especially in auctions and local sales. Cull ASEs, they tend to move slower and often sell below average of the BU pricing despite being only marginally cheaper. Why? Well, in my opinion, people like pretty silver. Even stackers with tight budgets often choose BU over beaten up Culls. So while Culls are technically cheaper, they can take longer to turn back into cash. Hey, and for full transparencies, I got both. I got BUs and I got calls. I'll get whatever I need to get if the price is right, and I'm fine with either. So, which is better to stack? Let's break this down a little bit. Let's break it down practically, I guess. Let's put it this way. Now, if you're a stacker on a budget, Cull ASEs do add ounces at a discount. If your only goal is to maximize silver ounces, Culls are a decent choice. If you're a collector or a long-term investor or stacker, BU ASEs are still king. They're easier to resell, they hold their premium better, and they attract more buyers. Now, thirdly, you got your hedge or speculation players. In that case, BU coins have higher perceived value and often see stronger price support through market ups and downs. So if you plan to sell someday, from my personal perspective, BU generally wins. If you plan to hold on for dear life purely for silver weight, Culls can make sense, especially when premiums spike. That's when I picked up a lot of my Culls. Now, here's a real-world example. This is information that was from a particular dealer. What he had said was, generally speaking, for instance, a BU ASE, if it listed at $96, it would sell within a couple of days. But if it was a Cull ASE listing at $85, which is quite a bit less, sometimes it will sit for weeks before it's sold. That price difference is only about $10 per coin. And yet, the BU, the more expensive one, seems to move quicker. Well, this tells me buyers prefer condition more than price alone. And that apparently matters. So the final verdict is this. So is it worth buying Cull over BU? Well, if you want maximum ounce per dollar, Culls are totally fine. If you care about resale value, BU is worth the extra $8. If you're a collector chasing eye appeal, well, then it's BU all the way. At the end of the day, they both contain 1 ounce of pure silver. So you're stacking real metal, I think I could say it, real metal either way. Just make your choice based on your own personal goals. That's the key, your personal goals. If you found this information helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you'll never miss a stacking tip. Please comment below, do you stack Culls or are you a BU purist? I read every comment. I love seeing what you guys put down. I love your perspectives. Great comments, great tips. I've learned a lot. I hope everybody else learning as well. This is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker, and we'll see you the next time and see you on the flip side.